Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. So today we are going to see some very easy DIY Diwali cards and I'm also going to announce the winner. So let's get started. So firstly, thank you everybody for participating in the giveaway, showering so much love on my channel. And now the announcement of the winner. So the winner is Sharvi Amrute. I am assuming that she has messaged from her mother's phone. Thank you so much, Sharvi, for supporting my channel and for this lovely comment. Do get in touch with me on Instagram for your giveaway gift. And now let's get on with our video. So I'm not going to say much in this video. My voice is a little weird because I'm suffering from cold, so I will just play along this video with the music. I'm going to make 3 very easy DIY handmade Diwali cards. बहुत simple है. All you need is some craft paper, some sketch pins and a little bit of decorative items. So mostly we're going to just use paper and that's it, but we'll make some very beautiful Diwali cards. So watch along with the music and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And for the last Diwali card, I have just taken a very thick sheet, colored maroon color, and with a white pen मैं इस पे डिज़ाइन बनाने वाले हूँ. Very simple and very easy. You don't need much to do on this, but it still looks very beautiful. So wishing everybody a very happy Diwali in advance. Stay safe, stay happy, and take care of your loved ones. Have fun with your loved ones, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.